It's time for 2 minutes by my watches. Hello everyone, welcome to the review of this Marloe Coniston. Today we'll speak about Marloe, a British microbrand which produces quality watches with nice and original designs. This model is part of the Coniston collection, whose slogan is "Courage is not being fearless," inspired by its namesake lake, which has been used to set water speed records. It's a Vulcan model, as they describe it, a chimera of engineering inspirations. Body of a Coniston and markings of the Avro Vulcan jet from the Royal Air Force. And this mixed design inspiration works very well together, all is perfectly balanced. It is sold out and the collection has now evolved to automatic calibers, but mine is on a Miyota 8N33 and is mechanical hand winding. The watch isn't heavy, but inspires confidence, and you can wear it with peace of mind because it's protected by a robust sapphire sandwich glass. There are a multitude of details that make it really unique. For sure, the refined handset is one of many, but the shape of the case is also surprising, narrowed on the bottom. The crown has a not so often seen shape and finishing, and the dial is the masterpiece of all of that. Let's zoom in to see all the details in macro shots. Around the perimeter there is a loomed ring, and intelligently thought out, the indexes and the second-hand fingers overflow so they don't need to be loomed, and the shape around the 12 creates a particular light signature at night. The color set of this model is perfect and allows you to vary leather straps. The Coniston collection is available for €490 in 3 different colors, now in 41mm diameter, on Miyota 8N24 automatic caliber. This is how it looks on my 19.5cm wrist or 7.6 inches. The link to the official website is in description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and commenting it, subscribing my channel, blah blah blah. Bye!